Hi guys, I'm so glad to see you guys again. Yeah, pretty if you guys don't remember me, I am Marcella from Mathematical Wonders. Sorry I haven't posted so much videos before, but now I'm trying to do I'm just doing much I can, much time I can, so I can keep posting more videos of Mathematical Wonders. But I made a new intro. I appreciate the new and the intro was a little bit not good, not how do you say it? Not I also need the old path, but I make a new one. I hope it's best for you, and I'm still keeping the halfway intro. And I pretty much by 4 videos I made adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. I made 4 videos about that, and this is finally where we're gonna bring the test of all the skills we have learned over the past last year, I think last year. But I'm very glad to see you guys again, and remember to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. I'll be posting more videos in the future, and guys, check the intro. Here we go. Okay guys, this is Marcelo Pues, and right now we are doing math basic quizzes. This is created by me, Marcelo Pues, and this is by Mathematical Wonders. It's been so long since I've seen you guys. As a reminder, let me just say I'm very glad to do this thing again. It's been very long since I returned to you guys. So without further ado, let's cheer up with this new PowerPoint we did. Yeah, I do that. Okay, so what we have done on over those videos, we have alright, so we did addition, we did subtracting, we did multiplying, and we did dividing numbers. So what we did learned, after the 4 basics of math we have learned, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Yeah, that's basically the 4 basics of math. That's just 4 easy lessons. Just 4 lessons. Okay, so before we begin the quiz, let's just do a little practice. Let me just go with my red pen. Yeah, red pen. Okay, so 2 plus 2. How about I try to make sticks like I use on the all techniques. I use sticks to represent how many sticks are in each number. So let's try 2. 1, 2. So these 2 sticks represent the number 2. Now this little plus sign. This means add together. The number after the plus sign. This means we must add by 2 more sticks. So I have to check my calculations. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, that's the answer. There's a total of 4 sticks. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Hope you can understand that. Okay, let's try. Alright, 10 minus 10. Alright, let's draw 10 sticks. Okay. I'm a horrible stick drawer. Okay. Alright, 10 sticks. So, let me get my red pen now. Now see, look at the minus sign. So, the plus sign means adding together. The minus means to take away something. So just say I have 2 apples and someone's gonna take away 1 apple. So that means how I have left over is 1 apple. So let's say if I have 10 sticks and someone is gonna take away 8 sticks. So in order to do that, we must cross out the sticks 8 times because that's how many sticks we're gonna need to take away. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And look at this. Let me get a green pen. 1 and 1. So that's 2. So the answer is 2. It's just this simple. 10 minus 8 equals 2. So let me use a different color, magenta. Alright, so let's do 4 sticks. Let's start. Now this symbol This is a multiplying symbol like when you're using in doing it in college. Well, usually in elementary school you should use this X. Also in your middle school you use this, which means multiply or like with each. So 4 times 4. So one group is 4 sticks. That's one group. So let's try doing that 4 times. Let me use the green pen. 1, 2, 3, 4. That let me. I'll give. That's the second group of 4 sticks. Let's try the third group of 4 sticks, and then let's try the blue 4 sticks. And there we go. Let me get my black pen. It's so hard just trying to put some different colors on the pen. But look at this. We finally made 4 groups of 4 sticks. So the first number before the multiplying symbol, it represents how many sticks there are. And the number that is after the multiplying symbol, it means how many groups of each sticks do we need. See, yeah. Let's count how many sticks we have together, and that, and let me see how much total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There you go. 16 sticks. 4 times 4 equals 16 sticks. Now look at this. 16 sticks divided by 4. So wait, let me go get my... No, that's not what I want. I'm great. Okay. So this symbol is also used for divide. You can use them for any grade, for kindergarten to middle school, yeah. But this symbol is like subtraction system, but it's different. So let's use this model for this. I can't won't copy them, but look, 16 sticks are in total. In the symbol means how many groups? The total of 4 groups. So we just did that. But this is different. We're not trying to figure out how many sticks there are. We're trying to figure out how many sticks is in one group. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a total of 4 sticks. See the symbol. 16 divided by 4 is gonna be 4. So hope you understand those practice. And let's begin on the quiz. But this is a halfway done. So if you really want to review the questions, you can go back. If you really want to, you can rewind the video if you really want, and then if you want, you can take a 30-second break if you want, and then once we're done, we will begin the quiz. Yeah. Okay, guys. All right, we have. Yeah, I guess you enjoy your 30-second break. So before we begin the quiz, we have to take some tips of taking quizzes. This might be helpful for you guys in the future, and of course, I'll be posting more quizzes in the channel. Yeah. So the first one, review before moving on. Alright, so this is simply easy. All you just do is rewind the video and try to figure out the how much what I do in each question. Yeah, that's exactly what I did. So once you're done reviewing, if you really want to review, so once you're done reviewing, you must continue. You must grab a sheet of paper and pencil. These two really important things are really going to help you when you're taking math classes. You must get those 2 items. Not only in this channel, but in every single quiz in the class, you must get at least a sheet of paper and pencil to show your work. So let's just say if you're giving your teacher no work, so your teacher will give you an F, but even though you got an A, because you don't show any work. Show your work, if that really means that you actually did the quiz. But if you don't, that's something you mean like you cheated or used your phone to do your quiz, but that's wrong. So always get a sheet of paper and pencil to show your work. Write the question and write your answers until you complete it. Alright, so this, I'm gonna get my blue. Yes, this blue. Okay. So this, okay. So this represents only in my channel. You must do that in my channel, or just when people just copy the answer, you copy the questions and write down your answer. But when your teacher give you a quiz, you don't need to write the question. You must write your answer on the quiz, not a blank sheet. But in here or in any other type that has like you must copy the answers on your piece of paper and you must write down the answers. This is a tip of how to do it. But if your teacher give you a quiz, you must only write your answer. So once we do that, once we finish all the questions, you must put this is another thing that happens in my channel. So once we're done, we're gonna review it to see if you got the question correct. So put a check mark if you got it correct or X if incorrect. That doesn't matter if you got an X or good. That doesn't mean that you're really good or you're really bad. All you just want to know is that you try your best and just try to guess. But always, you can guess, but you can't just support your guess. You have to get your work on. Show your work. So yeah, we have to repeat these two steps until all questions are done. And then you write the score and you review showing how good you did. See, just 6 simple tips of taking a quiz in my channel or any other kind. Yeah. Alright guys, without further ado, let's begin the quiz. So, I forgot to tell you this, you will be each given at least 30-second pause if you really want to. And of course, if you really want to pause it or rewind it, I am more than glad for you to pause it. But if you try to go fast forward the video and try to see what the answers are, you can do that, but it won't prove that you're trying your best. It means you're kind of like cheating. So please, guys, just pause the video and try the question. Okay, question 1. 20 minus 10 plus 90. Or you'll be giving a pause or rewind if you want to, but do not fast forward. You got like 30 seconds. Just put your answer, and your answer, which is an answer, you use a piece of paper or pencil just in case if you really need to show your work, and then when you're done, you can wait for the next question. Alright, question 2. 80 divided by 10 times 7. So remember guys, write your question and write the answer. If you don't really want to do it, then that's okay. You're just here to watch me review the question on what is correct. In case you don't want to do the quiz, it's fine. Alright, question 3. 8 apples minus 2 apples. Alright, so this is basically an easy question, but I'm not going to say the answer, okay? So just answer it correctly. If you got this wrong, that's okay. You're trying your best. Okay, question 4. 5 pies times 10 slices equals how many total amount of slices are going to be? And here we go. This is question 5. This is the hard and the final question. I'll be giving out 5 or at least 6 questions on the quiz. Yeah, that's basically it's right. You can get like 5 questions or 6 questions on the quiz. And let me say this absolutely correctly. You'll be exactly 1 easy question and 1 hard question that you might not understand. So remember guys, you can take a guess, but you need to show your work. So let me read it down. The word problem. Miss Gannett has a total amount of 25 puppies in this pet store, and 10 adults and 16 teenager owners want to adopt one puppy each. Would it be enough puppies to adopt for all owners? Explain why or why not. Alright, guys. You just took a 30-second break or 30-minute. No, not 30 minutes, but 30-second pause. And now let's check your answers, or let's check the answers. Yeah. Yeah, I'll show you the answer once we complete reviewing. Okay. 20 minus 10 plus 90. So, so this might be a complex one, but all you just need to do is just break it down to steps. So, so you're not gonna do two simple equations at the same time. We're gonna break it down into steps. So 20 minus 10. So I'm not drawing sticks, but if you guys really want to, you can draw down the sticks by making it a math equation. There we go. 20 minus 10. So 0 minus 0. So 0 minus 0. So 0 minus 0 is always going to be 0 because you're just subtracting just 0. 0 means none, and 0 minus 0 is 0. So 2 minus 1, that's basically very easy. 2 sticks minus 1 stick equals 1 more stick. So then that's 2 minus 1 is 10. So 20 minus 10 is going to be 10. So if you take guess 10 as your answer, there's no point because you're not done with the question. You're trying to figure out what's the next part of it, which is plus 90. So 10 plus 90. Oh gosh. Okay, so let's do the math equation. Math equation is always helpful, but you guys, if you're really into sticks, then let's do it. You can do it if you want to. Alright, 0 minus 0, no, 0 plus 0. Even though you're trying to multiply, divide, subtract, add that, yeah, any number, no, I'm sorry, oh gosh, 0 plus 0 is going to be 0. So 0 minus 0 is going to be 0, 0 multiplied by 0 is going to be 0, and 0 divided by 0 is going to still be 0. So 1 plus 9. Okay, trying to add 1 and add 9 more sticks. Okay, let me see how much we did. 5. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 1 plus 9 is going to be 10. So 10 plus 90 equals 100. It's going to be really hard if you try to draw down 106. It's going to be literally impossible. So 20 minus 10 plus 90 equals 100. And let's check my answer. And let's check your answers too. You got this correct. Alright, the answer is 100. So you guys got this correct. Put a check mark. If you got it wrong, put an X. It doesn't matter. Don't stress out. Don't cry. Don't be mad. You're just doing your best. Alright, question 2. 8 divided by 10 times 7. Alright, let's do the same thing we did. We divide it into steps. So first we're going to do 8 divided by 10. You're not going to draw 86, are you? Don't do that because there's a lot. Your hand's going to hurt a lot. So let's try this equation. This is the middle school way. If you really get into it, then that's okay. We'll do the other version. So 10 minus 80. Alright, so let me do the middle school version now with the kindergarten version. Alright, so 10 minus 80. Wait, no, that's not correct. Or you know what? Just, no, don't listen to that part. Let's just do this. Okay, 8 divided by 10. It's going to be very hard, right? So how about you just do the technique? Try to take away the 0. Now it's 8 divided by 1. 8 divided by 1. So any number times, added, or, oh no, not added because then it'd be hard, yeah. But any number divided or multiplied by 1 is going to be the same number. So 8 divided by 1 is going to be 8. So 8 divided by 10 is going to be 8. 8 800 divided by 100 is going to still be 8. 8,000 divided by 1,000 is still going to be 8. If you just put 8, that's not the correct answer. You're not done yet. 8 times 7 because the times 7 is the second step of the equation. So 8 times 7, you guys please do not draw sticks of 8 sticks times 7 times. It's really gonna hurt your hands, so just don't do that. So I'm not gonna just explain to you because I know this is gonna be extremely hard for you guys. So I'm just gonna tell you what is 8 times 7. It is 56. 80 divided by 10 times 7 is 56. Alright, let's check our answer. Whoa! Okay, yeah, that's correct. It's 56 is the correct answer for question 2. If you got this right, check mark, wrong, and X, that's fine. Question 3. So this is an easy question. 8 apples minus 2 apples. This should be literally easy for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's try to subtract it by 2. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total of 6 apples. Let's check my answer. If you got this wrong, it's okay. The total amount is going to be 6 apples. Because 6 apples minus 2 apples is going to be 6 apples. Even if you missed the apple sign, I just don't care. But if you're taking a quiz in school, you have to write the complete answer. So I mean, if you got a 6 on a real school test, you're going to get an X because you didn't explain it very specifically. For 6 something, 6 what, 6 what? It is 6 apples in this equation. 8 apples minus 2 apples is gonna be 6 apples. So let me give you this. If you got a 6, but forgot the apples, minus 1.5 points. But if you got 6 apples, correctly, completely 6 apples, check mark for you. But if at least don't get a 6, that was wrong. But just guys, just please, you're taking a test in school, you must write the complete answer in order to get this full point. Question 4. 5 pies times 10 slices. Okay, so this is going to be easy, and I'm terrible at drawing circles. Let's just make this very quick. This is the only perfect sword I can draw. Okay. So the rest of these circles are gonna be pies, or even these 4 little shaped weird circles. So this first pie is gonna have 10 slices because the X means each pie gets 10 slices. So the X symbol, the multiplying symbol, I said in the multiplying numbers video that multiplied means each. So each pie is gonna have 10 slices. So the second pie is gonna have 10 slices. The third pie is gonna have 10 slices. The fourth pie is gonna get, you got it right, 10 pies. And do you need to take this guess? Okay, I'm guessing. Oh, let me guess. 10 slices. So let's see how many slices we have. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There'll be a total of 50 slices. And let's check my answer. 50 slices. Remember, guys, you must write the complete answer. If you forgot the slice, give it a minus 1.5 point. But if you got the complete thing correct and you missed the 50, you got next. That's fine. Don't need to stress out. Okay. So this is it, guys. This is the final question, and please do not stress your guys out because this is the hardest. Well, not hardest, but just hard for you. The kindergarten, you guys don't understand this. So Miss Gannett had a total amount of 25 puppies in the pet store, and 10 adult and 16 teenage owners want to adopt 1 puppy each. What is the name of puppies to adopt for all owners? Okay, so first, let me draw the blue tall sticks, or like this can represent the adults. So let me draw 10 blue tall sticks. Okay. 5, 10. Alright, so 10 adults. Let me draw for the green ones for a green like this. 16. Mm-hmm. Okay. Come on, I am trying. My finger hurts. Okay. Ow. So the red. All right. So 25 puppies, 10 adults, 16 teenagers. So it doesn't mean if it's adults or teenagers. They're people. They're not cats. So there's no reason we got cats going to adopt a puppy, or a whale is going to adopt a puppy, or like an alien is going to adopt a puppy. Who makes sense? So let's make it. Let's add the 10 people plus the 16 people. Yes. Let's add them up. 0 plus 6. So any number plus 0 is gonna be the same number. So 0 plus 6 is gonna be 6. So 1 plus 1 is very easy. 26. So 26 of adults and teenagers altogether are gonna adopt one puppy each. But look at this. 25 puppies. She has 25 puppies. So 10 people, so 10 girls get that. And 15 teenagers with that. But what about this guy? This guy looks very lonely because she doesn't have enough puppies. So let me get my eraser out. And the answer is no, you will not have enough puppies because Miss gonna have 25 puppies, so not everyone is gonna get at least one puppy. Only one guy is gonna miss one puppy. That's sad. And we're done with the quiz. Congratulations for all of you who made it this far. If you got 0 incorrects, let me make fun of my green pen. Pen, okay, good. Yes. 0 incorrects. You did an amazing job. This might be the first quiz you ever took in this channel, and you got an 100%. Amazing. We get my blue pen. If you got 1 incorrect, that's okay. That's a great job. Very great job. Just try. You can try to get your best and confident to get 100%. Now for the 2 wrongs, not bad. That's good. But try to get your more confident to get to 100%, or at least 1 incorrect. And for the ones who has 3 incorrects or more. So let me say, well, I'm not gonna say you did bad. You're really dumb, and there's no way you're gonna get 100%. Just guys, I made this quiz because it could help you master your skills. This skills is gonna help you for the rest of your lives. So, if people got 3 more corrects, please try your best to get at least 100%. I'm telling you guys, this is my absolute power and confidence for making you guys get at least mastered every quiz. But if you guys have 0 incorrect, an amazing job. 1 incorrect, you got a great job. 2 incorrect, you got a that's not bad. That's good. And 3 incorrects, all I can say is good luck on the next test. And this is the final slide, the end. This is my Marcelo Poise, Mathematical Wonders. Hope you like everything, and I'm gonna say it again. I'm so glad I'm coming to reunite with you guys. It like very amazing to see you guys, and so I'm going back to Mathematical Wonders, even though I have so much work to do at school. I'm not exactly a college person yet. But I'm trying to promise you guys I'll be posting Mathematical Wonders channels as much as you can do. So guys, if you really like this video, click the subscribe button and the bell icon. And I'll be seeing you guys with the next Mathematicals video. See you guys.